Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for April 9th, 2011. Okay, looking at the SPY here, this week has been very sloppy. I'm sure you guys, if you pay attention to the market, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of choppiness, and the market really has gone nowhere throughout this whole week. And I kind of mentioned that last week, the market was a bit extended and a bit overbought. So usually what it does is it can chop sideways or it can pull back and retest some kind of support. And currently it looks like it's just chopping sideways, not really pulling back all that much. So the level to keep an eye on for this market is definitely above this 134. I would imagine, there's probably some people trying to call a top and trying to short this market. So most likely there's going to be some stops right above this 134 level. If this market happens to break above that level, I could imagine it can trigger some short covering, which usually adds on to a new leg or a higher leg rally. So keep an eye for that. But as far as right now, the market is holding above support, above this 20-day moving average, as well as this gap right here at 132. So again, range bound, not the best environment to be trading. But there are still some stocks that are working. When we issue our trade alerts, we typically look for the stronger stocks to buy. Let's go over some of the trades we've issued or are currently active in our trading community. The first one's Vonage. We mentioned this last week. We got in around 426, right above this breakout here with this range right here, small little range base. We actually hit our first target, took some profit right around this 480 level. And I also mentioned that look for some kind of a pullback, maybe towards this 450 level, which is what it's doing right now, because this 450 was a prior resistance, and usually old resistance act as new support. And so currently Vonage is holding around that level. If it forms another small base, then maybe it's a good time to get back in or reinitiate a new positions if you haven't gone in. And we're aiming for $5 as our next target here. Okay, the other stock that we have issued this week is LYB. LYB we bought above this 41 breakout. Nice little base, nice little triangle that it broke out. So we got triggered right here on this day, and so far it's acting very well, especially given the market weakness on Friday. This stock held up extremely well. We took a little bit of profit here around 43, which is about our first target. Our second target is at 45. So currently we're still holding positions in this one. And another stock that we issued this week is AVID. This one hasn't been triggered yet, but we're keeping an eye on this stock. It's forming a very long-term, very nice-looking base between 21 and 23. Our trigger is just right above here at 23, so patiently waiting, not really doing a whole lot. So if you are interested in our trade alert service, you can just sign up on our website, get a free 30-day trial, give us a try, and see how it goes.